Welcome to NitroRCX.com. We'll be looking at the new MicroX rally car. It is 1/24 scale, very small, fits in the palm of your hand, easily driven indoors or outdoors, ready to run out the box, so we'll show you all those features. 2.4 gigahertz, transmitter is included with that 2.4 gigahertz receiver. When you pull this out the box, all you have to do is charge the battery and you're ready to run. The battery is a 4.8 volt, 220 milliamp hour battery. It takes about an hour to charge and you're gonna get about 8 to 10 minutes of awesome, fun driving. The charger included is a wall adapter type charger. So upon removing the body, you're gonna be greeted with a fully enclosed receiver box. The receiver box and servo system are enclosed in here, along with the speed controller. The receiver and the speed controller is a 2-in-1 unit. You can see the power wires and the motor wires coming right here. It is swappable, so if you do happen to damage something, there are spare parts. It's not a unit where you're not gonna have spare parts if you happen to damage something or burn out your motor. You can even upgrade the motor if you do wish to do so. Let's take a closer look at the drivetrain and suspension. The suspension, you're getting oil-filled, threaded, adjustable shocks on all 4 corners. Your drivetrain is durable. It is metal all throughout, metal dog bones, metal drive shaft cups, and metal outdrive cups out on the wheels. You have a brush motor hidden within and geared differentials front and back. Steering duties is handled by a micro servo, so you get proportional and accurate steering throughout. On the bottom of the chassis, you'll find a battery compartment that houses your nickel battery. All in all, these 1/24 scale cars are pretty fun, but if you want something to drive around or something for younger children to play with, these cars are the ticket. If you want more detailed specs and pictures, head on over to NitroRCX.com. The link is below. Be sure to subscribe to us if you want to stay tuned for our latest and newest products. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you guys later.